This little thing right here will completely transform your breath, your mouth, your taste buds, your digestion, and your life. By the end of this video, you're going to wonder, in utter disgust, how you ever lived without it.
I can't believe we went 30-something years without scraping our tongue. That's so gross.
And trust me, your toothbrush, it ain't enough. Don't believe me? Keep watching. I guarantee you, if you didn't already know about this, I'm about to completely blow your mind and revolutionize your oral care routine. You can thank me later. First, I'm going to reveal what this little thing is, aside from your mouth's new best friend, and I'll explain why your toothbrush isn't enough. Then we'll dive into the science behind it with clear, evidence-based benefits that will make you rethink the way you clean your mouth. You may gasp or gag or both. And finally, I'm going to show you how to use it so you can have a healthier organism and breath that's so fresh, you'll want to kiss yourself. All right, hang on. Yeah, all of that sounds wonderful, but my morning routine already takes me 2 to 3 hours. I don't have time to add in another little gadget, and I definitely don't want to spend money on something that I don't need. Oh, girl, that's because you don't know how much you do need it, but you're about to find out. And it really doesn't take that much time at all. You'll see in the demo. Stick with me. And now, the big reveal. Da-da-da-da! It's a tongue scraper! Oh, come on. Seriously? First of all, I knew that. Second, I use my toothbrush to clean my tongue. Oh, but did you know? Although some people brush their tongue with a toothbrush, most dentists and hygienists agree a tongue scraper is a far better tool. And research shows that toothbrushes, or toothbrush-i, are less than half as effective in removing bioburden from the tongue. By the way, if you didn't know, because I was wondering myself, bioburden typically refers to the bacterial load. It's the accumulation of bacteria, fungi, dead cells, and food debris on the tongue's surface. Yuck. The tongue's papillae can trap these particles, leading to a buildup that, if not regularly cleaned, can contribute to bad breath, halitosis, taste disturbances, harmful bacteria that can inflame your gums, as well as tooth decay and potentially other health issues that we're going to get into later. But here's the bottom line. Toothbrushes are designed for cleaning teeth, and tongue cleaners are designed to clean tongues. Very different from teeth. This is a common practice in Ayurveda, also in many Asian cultures, as many people know. But what you may not know is that tongue cleaning was also practiced by the ancient Romans and by the wealthier classes in the 18th and 19th century Europe. I did not know that. We did not get the memo in the West. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Show me the money! And by money, you mean facts, right? Research shows that tongue scraping can help prevent plaque buildup on the teeth. It also removes the coating on the tongue, and that improves taste perception because coating dulls our taste receptors. Many people report they get far less colds and flus. I am one of them. And it improves your overall health. But don't take my word for it. Let's look through it together. Healthline says that tongue scraping can improve your sense of taste, improve the appearance of your tongue, remove bacteria, specifically reduce mutants, streptococci, and lactobacilli? I don't know. This is what causes bad breath and tooth decay.
Ew, your breath smells like kitty litter.
I was curious.
An article posted in the National Library of Medicine shows that although most people perceive oral malodor as a cosmetic issue, volatile sulfur compounds produced by bacteria, even at low concentrations, are toxic to tissues and play a role in the development of periodontitis. Periodontitis is an infection of the gums. Don't look it up. An article from the Cleveland Clinic states, when these best practices are ignored, they can lead to cardiovascular disease, endocarditis, pregnancy and birth complications, pneumonia, and more. This is not to scare you, it's to inform you. Knowledge is power. Your oral hygiene is important. Many people think that using a toothbrush on your tongue is just as effective as using a tongue scraper. But the results of one study found that tongue scrapers removed 30% more volatile sulfur compounds on the tongue than a toothbrush. And although cleaning your tongue with a toothbrush is better than not cleaning it at all, using a tongue scraper is just way more effective. Dr. Tung's is my tongue cleaner of choice. I have the stainless steel version, but they just came out with copper, and I might jump on that. Stainless steel doesn't wear out, and it's impervious to bacteria, unlike plastic. So whatever you choose, don't choose plastic. This U-shaped design can easily clean the back of the tongue, which is where most bacteria reside. Using two hands gives precise control over the pressure and position of the cleaner. This makes it easy to use and avoids gagging caused by too much pressure on the tongue, like what happens when you clean with a toothbrush. Are you ready for the demo? Let's do it. Stick your tongue out. Oh, and I definitely need to scrape my tongue. You're gonna go as far back that's comfortable for you. Gently start to scrape, scrape, scrape all the way down to the tip of my tongue, and you're gonna see it. And do this 4 times. And you rinse after each time. Wow. 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 After I'm done, wash this with some soap. Rub my fingers along like this, get the outer edges. You can use your toothbrush to help you with the soap and the edges there. That cleans the toothbrush and the scraper. It's a twofer. Let that dry, brush your teeth. And then last time, just to get the toothpaste residue off, I use the tongue scraper just once. Quick rinse. That's it. Twice a day is enough for me. Most people scrape when they wake up and before they go to bed. Dr. Tung's website says this helps to prevent morning breath, but yeah, no, I still get morning breath. Some people like to clean their tongue after each meal, and you can do that, but take it easy. Too much of a good thing can be bad. I have caused bleeding due to scraping with too much enthusiasm. Be mindful and gentle with your body. That wasn't so bad, was it? I told you, it takes less than 30 seconds, and it's a huge upgrade for your mouth. You're so right. And I just realized I do need one. Where can I get it? I have conveniently added a link in the description of this video so you can get yours right now. And while you will see significant changes in your oral hygiene and overall health, there is another aspect to oral care that is critical for a clean mouth. Your tongue scraper, your toothbrush, plus this right here creates the ultimate experience in oral wellness. I'll show you why you need it and how to use it in this video.